Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome to my honorable channel. Today I will be showing you how to translate from one foreign language to another without having an idea on how to speak it or how to write it. I will be showing you that through Google Translate. Have you heard of Google Translate? Google Translate is a platform that allows you to translate any form of language to another, be it from Hindi, from French to English, or from English to French, from Hindi to English, or from English to German, and many more. So before we go into that, I will please implore you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, it will get to you immediately. And in the subsequent class, I will be showing you how you can use these ideas of translations to make money from websites. There are a lot of websites here who are looking for transcribers, and I will show it to you how you can be generating passive income from those websites. Alright, let's get into it. So, okay, let's get into it. I suggest using Google Chrome. Pick your phone, turn on your network, and navigate yourself to your Google Chrome. So if you get your Google Chrome, quickly search and open your Google. Having done that, then write Google Translate. Type Google Translate. Yeah, this is Google Translate. But I always tell my viewers that you should always change your phone screen to desktop view. So doing that, I'll show you how to do that quickly. Go to this place, navigate yourself to the right hand side, and scroll down. You see desktop site, click here. You see how it changes immediately. You see, now you can now have everything, you can view everything boldly for yourself, right? So what I advise you to do now is just watch. So in this place, you can select the language you want. Your translations is here. Let's say we want to translate from English to Spanish or Hindi or any other language. So I will turn this place to English. We'll turn this place to English. So I'm searching for the English currently. English. See this? Okay. I will change this place to Hindi. English to Hindi. Okay, now we watch. Now we watch how it works. So in this place, I'm going to write anything I want. Let me just pick random words. Let me say when I was growing up. When I was growing up, I had a pretty childhood. A pretty childhood girlfriend. You see? This is the translation. This is my English writing, and this is the translation in Hindi. You see? This is the pure translation in Hindi. It is very, very simple. Let me see it. And if you don't have time to write, or you don't know how to write, you can just use your audibility. You can just say something and Google Translate will write it for you. I will show you how to do that. So let me quickly take this away and say the same thing. So you click here. When I was growing up, I had a pretty.
जब मैं बड़ा हो रहा था.
Let me say it. I just say the word and you pick it up. So you can see quickly how it's going on. When I just say a word, okay, you click here. Say when I was growing up, I had a pretty young girl.
जब मैं बड़ा हो रहा था तो मेरी एक बहुत छोटी लड़की थी.
Now you see it's very simple. So, and if you want to translate from let's say, if you want to translate from Hausa, I say Hausa. If you want to translate from French to English, or let's say from English to French, you can still come to this place, choose French here, you can just choose French, you can choose French here and say anything here, it will translate to French immediately. Okay, hey, hello, what's up my friend, it's been a while. And you see,
Salut, quoi de neuf mon ami, ça fait un moment.
Now you see it translates to French immediately. So if you know how to speak French and you want to use your audibility to change it to English, this is where you can do it. If you want to choose any language here, that is a language you can speak, and your translation will be here. So it is very simple. It's very simple. So thanks for watching. Please do not forget, subscribe to my channel, and I will show you many things you can do with your smartphone to generate passive income from the comfort of your bedroom. So please do not forget, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. And let me remind you that in my subsequent class I will be showing you how you can use this Google Translate to earn passive income from the comfort of your bedroom. There are a lot of sites there who are looking for transcribers, and you can join them, apply, and you can get the job done. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.